Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this Amazon Fire 7 Kids. So here's everything that comes in the box. You do get a power cable, you get the power adapter. It is USB-C, so the first thing we are going to want to do is get this nice and charged up. Put that in, we're going to plug this in. Now you can plug this into 140 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5 volts, 1 amp for 5 watts. The cable is 3 feet long, so let's plug it in and now let's charge the device. So the device comes in this case and the USB-C port is right here. So it's very easy. The USB-C can go either way. Plug it in and now it's going to be charging up. This is like a built-in kickstand. That's a very durable case that we can see. We've got volume buttons, a power button, headphone jack right there. Yeah, and then we do have a camera on the back. So it's a very thick, very rugged case. Okay, so the first thing it says, select English, click next. Okay, so find your Wi-Fi, click on it and give it your Wi-Fi password. Now the first thing it's going to do after it connects, it's going to install an update. This could take a little bit. All right, let's go over some sizes. So with the case on, about 8 inches and about 6 1/4 that way. Now thickness wise, this thing is about 1 inch thick. Now the screen is 7 inches. Now it's going to ask you, it's got a kids app and you're going to give it a password. And now you're going to give the kid's name and the birthday. Okay, so it talks about this Kids Plus Parent Dashboard. That's really cool. You can go on there and see exactly what this person is doing, what the kid is doing on this tablet on a separate app on a Fire or an Apple or an iPhone or something, but you can download that on iPhone. You can see exactly what's going on, set limits, set times, and set usage for this tablet, all from an Apple app. Okay, so once you set it up, it's going to switch to the kid's profile. Now they consider this the right-hand side, I think. I think power is on the top, volume's on the top, the plug-in's on the top. Again, this can rotate all the way around. It's like a handle. I like this. This is like a soft feel to it. It doesn't come with much charge, so you want to make sure and charge it. So you log in as a parent first, and then you create a kid profile. Then you switch over to the kid, and now you can give it to the kid. So don't give it to the kid because you're going to have to enter passwords and stuff for your Amazon account. But then eventually you'll say, okay, switch now to the kid. So I could turn the tablet off, I can tell it to pause so they can't use the tablet on my other. I got my iPhone here with that app on it. It's a very nice responsive screen. I mean, it looks really good. They can do searches. I've got it enabled to where they can download the different apps. It's going to show age-appropriate apps. You can disable that, so they would have to send you a notification, then you would approve it. But wow, this thing's a very nice tablet. Swipe down, they got access to settings. So very, very nice. Nice, clear, but wow, is that rugged. That's going to be perfect. I hope this unboxing and setup video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.